Today I'm giving you 7 reasons why Polkadot will 20x. It's not a number to impress you. I made this estimate through in-depth research, and each one of the 7 factors supports my prediction. So if you want to know exactly why and when Polkadot will reach $140, make sure to stick to the end, like and subscribe for more content like this one. And let's get started. The first reason why Polkadot will 20x is its revolutionary technology. Polkadot is in fact called the Internet of Blockchains because it allows multiple blockchains to connect and operate within itself. Bridges allow parachains to connect with external networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum, this way expanding the interoperability of the Polkadot network. It's the first project to be able to connect all existing blockchains in one platform, and what's really powerful about this design is that it allows multiple blockchains to run in parallel, each with its own speed and capacity. In simple words, Polkadot is the network that connects all the decentralized applications from different blockchains and makes them easily accessible on a single Web3 platform. But how does it work exactly? The central chain of the Polkadot ecosystem is called Relay Chain, while the non-native blockchains running on top of the underlying network are called parachains. The Relay Chain is the core of the Polkadot ecosystem, and it helps keep the parachains in sync with each other, using a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. There are no limits to the blockchains that can be added to the platform, from private chains to public chains, oracles, and future blockchain technologies. In fact, Polkadot provides a primary blockchain software development toolkit called the Substrate, which allows developers to create their own parachains to operate on the Polkadot network. The second reason why Polkadot will 20x is represented by its solid partnerships with telecommunication giants such as Vodafone and leading blockchain networks such as Cardano and Chainlink. The partnership with Vodafone deserves particular attention, as it represents the intention of a Web2 giant to finally embrace Web3, and the fact that Vodafone chose Polkadot to achieve this milestone proves the quality and reliability of the Polkadot ecosystem. Vodafone's blockchain lead David Perlmer has in fact announced that SIM cards linked to the Aventus chain will be inserted into cargo tracking pods used by airlines. Up to 10% of these pods go missing, costing the aviation industry $400 million annually. Building on Aventus' existing relationship with Heathrow Airport, the solution will radically improve the ability to track these cargo pods, bringing massive efficiencies to the sector. The third reason why Polkadot will 20x is that it is actually feasible, considering that the fully diluted market cap of Polkadot is currently $10 billion. So a 20x increase would take the market cap of Polkadot to $200 billion, which may sound crazy, I know, but think about it. We are currently at the beginning of a bull market, as the last Bitcoin halving took place just a few weeks ago, and Ethereum is already valued at almost $500 billion, while Solana and BNB almost $100 billion. You'll see that by 2025, Ethereum will be worth $1 trillion, Solana and BNB $500 billion, just like the capitalization of Ethereum right now. And so for the other top 20 tokens with great potential like Polkadot, a $200 billion market cap looks completely reasonable. The number 4 reason why Polkadot will 20x is the team. The founder of Polkadot, Gavin Hood, is also the co-founder and former CTO of Ethereum. He invented fundamental components of the blockchain industry, including Solidity, Proof of Authority, and Whisper. This alone should give you enough evidence that the team is led by leading blockchain experts with extensive experience in cryptography. The number 5 reason why Polkadot will 20x is represented by its strong tokenomics. All token unlocks have already taken place, and the token can now be inflated only by the staking rewards. The annual inflation rate of Polkadot is 10%, but the average staking reward rate is 14% per year, and so staking rewards are higher than inflation. This means that the token holders who stake Polkadot can protect themselves from the token inflation and get a 4% net reward per year. The main demand drivers of the DOT token are staking, governance, paying for transaction fees, and acquisition of parachain slots. The number 6 reason why Polkadot will 20x is that Polkadot is about to launch its new version called Polkadot 2.0, which is set to revolutionize interoperability and scalability within the blockchain industry. Polkadot 2.0 introduces a dynamic core model that significantly enhances the platform's capabilities. A core is a flexible and cost-efficient blockchain model that allows developers to access the Polkadot network security and interoperability on a pay-as-you-go basis, without needing a dedicated parachain slot. Besides cores, Polkadot uses a sharding mechanism that enhances scalability and increases transaction throughput. With the ability to validate up to 20 shards per block and the potential to grow to 100 shards, Polkadot boasts a transaction speed of approximately 1 million transactions per second with asynchronous baking, compared to Ethereum's throughput of 100,000 transactions per second. The reason number 7 why Polkadot will 20x is the governance. Polkadot's OpenGov does not have any council, and this means that users are truly involved in the governance, because there's no council with privileges. Only users who own the token can participate in governance by making proposals or voting on proposals. The decentralized governance of the Polkadot network is the feature that makes Polkadot a software and not a security under the securities law. So the truly decentralized governance of Polkadot and its strong legal position represent additional factors that make Polkadot extremely strong and resilient. As I promised you, I will now tell you exactly when Polkadot will 20x from the current price of $7 and reach $140. During the last market cycle, Bitcoin reached its all-time high in 550 days after the halving, more precisely in November 2021, and Polkadot during the same month. So if history repeats itself, Bitcoin should reach its new all-time high in 550 days after the 2024 Bitcoin halving, so in October 2025, and same thing for Polkadot. Okay, so now you know exactly why and when Polkadot will 20x, and if you want to know another project with at least 20x potential, you should watch my previous video, which you can find right there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and always remember that nothing in this video is financial advice, but educational content only.